Okay, everyone. Today is May 17th, 2023, and that means it has been 1 year, 1 year since Mikey pulled the fire alarm to skip a test, a pop quiz, a game, and he got arrested by the police for doing that. That's right. On May 17th, 2022, Mikey pulled the fire alarm without a fire or without authorization, and he got into big trouble. This serves as a very important reminder about why you should never tamper with fire alarms and why you should not disagree with me when I say never tamper with fire alarms. Remember, Mikey, take this very seriously. I do not want people going to jail. I will take this very seriously because I do not want to go to jail. If there is a hard test, I will do my best to get it done instead of pulling the fire alarm and going to jail because I do not want to do it. It's better for me to go through this hard test than it is for me to go to jail because I pulled the fire alarm. Man, I really hope that Mikey has learned his lesson. He better not tamper with my fire alarm. Oh my goodness gracious. If he tampers with my fire alarm, he will be in even more trouble. And that will not be good. So please, Mikey, leave my fire alarm alone. Goodbye.